Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to jailbreak iOS 13.3.1 without using a computer. So if you want to know how I downloaded Cydia on this phone for iOS 13.3.1 without using a computer, make sure you keep watching this whole video. And let me just show you guys, this is actually the real version of the iOS. As you guys can see, iOS 13.3.1, and I'll show you how to jailbreak iOS 13.3.1 with this tutorial. So let's begin, guys. As you guys can see, I got Cydia over here. What you need to do is open up Safari and go to cydia.club. Make sure you visit the correct website, guys. This is the right website. So click on jailbreak and just wait out a little bit. It's gonna start fetching the whole device data and start doing some things the site does, so just wait out a little bit, guys, and you should be able to jailbreak iOS 13.3.1. So yeah, also if your friends also want to learn how to jailbreak iOS 13.3.1, make sure you share this tutorial with them. So let's wait out a little bit more. iOS 13.3.1, click confirm button to check if your iOS version is compatible. So yeah, click confirm, guys. Make sure you're on the latest version of iOS, and yeah, just wait out a little bit. So you should be redirected to a different page now. Don't panic, guys. This is part of the whole jailbreak process. This basically just makes sure that you're a human using the system and not a robot. So this whole thing doesn't get patched. So we just need to make a quick verification, which basically means you need to download 2 apps and run each app for 30 seconds. I already have some apps downloaded because I did it previously myself. So yeah, you don't have to interact with the apps, guys. Just wait out a little bit for 30 seconds and then go back to the website and download a different app. And afterwards, guys, you should be able to jailbreak iOS 13.3.1 and get Cydia on the latest version of iOS. So yeah, this is pretty much how this whole process works, guys. Run 2 apps for 30 seconds. Let's assume I just finished downloading this app and doing the process for 30 seconds. You just download